to do with them while we're bored in quarantine. Hello! As you can tell from the title of this video, I am going to be sharing with you guys some things that I do to keep my 2-year-old busy. She is a girl, and she's a very, very girly girl. She loves makeup, beads, necklaces, jewelry, cooking, you know, all that kind of stuff that's super girly. She loves it all. She loves Barbie, she loves baby dolls. So I'm just going to go over about 5 things that we do now that we're in like quarantine to keep her busy. First thing I wanted to touch on is I made moon sand, and I went on Pinterest, found the recipe, and then made it. And I'll insert the clip here of me making it. And it's seriously like so cool. Like, you can just like play with it with them. It gets a little messy, but like it just vacuums right up and like wipes right up. So it's really cool, and it's like soft. It smells good. Depending on the kind of baby oil you use, that's like what it's gonna smell like. And then I also ordered off of Amazon this like little princess bead kit. And you have these little strings, so they're not like, they're like rubber and really, really stretchy. And you put the beads on there. Once the beads are on, you can close it really easy. Like, she can do it herself too. And she can also take it off herself without like breaking it. And she loves it. When we opened it up, she was like, "Oh, baby." And it's not a baby, it's a little princess for her necklace, but she thinks it's a baby, so that's okay. And it comes with a bunch of different colored beads, and it comes with 5 necklaces to make. And obviously you can like make one, and then you can take the beads off and make another one, and you know, vice versa and stuff. She really liked it. She had fun with it. Once I put it away, she was like so upset. She just wanted to play with it, but it was nap time, so she needed to go down for a nap, and it was fun after that. And then this is something I had laying around the house. We had gotten these magnets a long time ago from Melissa and Doug at Target, and they're just these letters and numbers, and you can do math with them and spell things out. And I had those laying around the house, and then I have this magnetic board from Ikea, and I don't have like at my fridge, I don't like magnets on it like that, so I never had these magnets out. And then now I have this portable magnetic board with these letters on it, so you can spell things out, you can, you know, do math with her or your daughter or son. And I mean, my 8-month-old likes to sit on the floor and just play with them and rip them off and put it back on and stuff, so it's just really fun, and it keeps him busy for maybe 10-20 minutes. And I can link everything that I got in the description box below, so don't be afraid that you're not gonna know how to get this stuff. And then for my daughter's 2nd birthday, which is coming up soon, I got this little makeup bag for her. She loves watching me get ready. She loves watching me do my makeup, my hair, all that kind of stuff. So this is part of her birthday present, and it's like the pretend makeup. So it has like everything. It has eyeshadows. You can come in and like fake play with them. It has lipstick, and it looks like real lipstick. It's super cute. But it's all pretend, so nothing ever transfers off, so it's not going to make a mess in your house. Like mascara, and it comes with a little mascara wand. So cool. Nail polish, brushes, foundation. I mean, there's so much stuff in here. There's like glitter. It's just really cool. And I know that she's going to play with this a lot. She already plays with nothing and thinks it's makeup, so I mean, this is going to be like so much fun for her. And the last thing that I'm going to touch base on is color crayons. My daughter loves playing with color crayons. She will play with them for like 3 hours. We give her like Toy Story coloring books and then Frozen coloring books, and she'll like sit there and color on them forever. She loves it. She like throws the crayons, goes and picks them up, colors more. She wants us to color for her. I just think it's really cool. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below. I hope you guys got some ideas, and I hope you guys aren't getting too bored inside. We'll see you guys on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Bye-bye.